Hello guys. So now I think for those who have been following me, you know that I have not posted any new video in a while now. Partly because I've been busy with life a little bit, so there were some things that I needed to take care of before I can actually arrange to do those shoots. So as maybe you are aware as well, I'm actually working in I'm still working from Monday to Friday. So my only time to do videos are probably only on on the weekends, if I want to shoot cars. Otherwise I can actually do at my home, but I feel those topics are probably not the right time to do that right now. So but I've been busy because just recently my wife's grandfather, my grandfather-in-law, just recently passed away. But bless him, he had a good long life. At the time of passing, he was 90 plus, so he has lived a good life. In fact, he's promoted to the status of great grandfather, okay, because of my daughter and another my wife's cousin and all that. So so he had a great life before he moved on to something better. So I have to send my wife back to her hometown in Penang. So I've been sending her there, and then unfortunately I have to come back to KL here to fulfill my job obligations. So I can't stay there, but she stayed over there, and then after that I have to go over and pick her up again. So unfortunately, one of the on the first trip when I came back alone, I had my first roadkill. Yeah, it is unfortunate. I mean, I never had a roadkill before, so it happened so fast. I remember I was driving about 100 kilometers per hour, and when the animal came out, I can't see what is that. I don't have the time to react. I don't even have time to even brake. So a lot of people tell me that, when you see animal, you should hold. If let's say there's no chance to avoid, you should just grip your steering wheel hard and just go straight into it, and and it to avoid you swerving into another lane and causing a potentially bigger accident. But I don't even have the time to react because it came out so fast. Yeah, I just saw a brown flash, done. That's it. Done. Some people ask me what animal, I really don't know. Okay, but the bumper of my wife's car at the time was wrecked. Yeah, so but the plastic bits are all torn up, so we have no choice but to replace the bumper. And this particular incident actually led me to discover a gem, I suppose. So because when I wanted to fix the bumper, I did not know where to go actually. So then my colleague told me of this auto spray workshop in Puchong. So it's pretty good. And when I went there to fix up the bumper, for me, my concern is always when you need to change a panel or a part, the quality of their spray paint. This is always my concern. Okay, and of course, second thing is the fitment. But fitment wise, great. Well, because it's actually a similar bumper, right? I mean, how wrong can it go? But the spray paint quality is pretty good. And I saw they even have they even respray this Honda City to a candy red color, which is very, very nice, by the way. And price wise is pretty reasonable. And if you need to replace your parts and you need a respray, you probably can check them out. They're called the Rickson Auto Spray Garage. I'll put the address down there for those who are staying nearby Puchong. If you need any fix up to your car paint and so on, you can go there and visit them. The owner is pretty nice. Okay, so you can just have a chat with them and so on. Okay, so where am I heading right now? Actually, I'm heading to PJ because my car itself has some issues as well. So I've been having this problem with my steering rack, I believe. So every time I turn my steering and then when I let go, what happened is that there's bound to have some noise. So I suspect it's the tie rod, okay, that has gone bust. So I'm heading over to one of the workshop that a friend of mine recommended. Thank you, Silver. So just to check out and see really what's the issue there. And hopefully it's not something big. Wouldn't dent my wallet so much. Yeah, but let's see what happens. Yeah. So the verdict is my car may not have just a tie rod problem, may have more than that. So I've decided to just leave my car here at this workshop here, Uptown Tire. Okay, they are just located right beside the RHB in Uptown here. So give them some time. I thought I want to give them more time to check out what's my car's problem. And so I guess I can only collect my car on Monday then. Well, what can I do? I just have to leave it with them. No choice, we have to leave it there for the whole weekend, and hopefully they will help sort out the issue and get the car to drive nice again after this. So thanks for watching again, guys, and stay tuned. On Monday when I pick up the car, we'll have another video. So I'll let you know what's the final repair bill of the car. I think very likely it's going to be the steering rack that's having the issue right now. And of course I also put my car in for servicing as well. So let's check out their price and see whether it's reasonable or not. Okay, stay tuned until then, and don't forget to subscribe to our videos. See you guys again in the next video.